Today we're going to bring a Steam Deck docking station. This is a perfect way to actually set up your mouse and keyboard and also displays too. So we're going to take a look at it and see what you get. First of all, there's no side connections on this one right here. There is a power button in the center right here. You get 3.1, three of them. All right. You get a Type C, and this is where you're going to actually power it up from. HDMI, DisplayPort, and RJ45. We're going to connect pretty much all of them except for the DisplayPort. We're going to try to use the mouse and keyboard to play with it. So let's go ahead and set it up and see what you get. All right, we're going to connect the RJ45 connection to get a faster internet connection. We're going to connect USBs, two of them. We have a mouse and keyboard, all right? And then we are going to power it up too. So we're going to grab our power. And look at that. It just lit up, all right? So we're going to go ahead and grab our Steam Deck, all right? Put it in there. I like that it has a grip. I'm going to set it up. All right. I'm going to lean it back just a little bit so you guys can see that it is working. Look at my mouse. All right. So I'm able to play with the Steam Deck mouse and keyboard. I'm going to test it out. Play a game. See how well it works with it. So I'm going to lean the Steam Deck a little bit back so you guys can see it. And that the mouse and keyboard is working. If you want, you can display it to your TV or to different monitors. And you look at that. Go faster, jump, slide. So there you have it. Modules working very well with the Steam Deck, keyboard, mouse. Hope you guys enjoy the video.